In this video, I will show you complete student management system. So, at the beginning, names come with loading animation. If you are come for the first time, you will see this animation. The first thing you will be able to see in this dashboard. Total student. How many students are there in total in your school? And second place is present today. And third, absent today. And then there the new admission. These are the children who have been admitted this month. Then how many teachers are there in total and how many active class are there? Then after that we have also shown all this thing in this form of graph in this dashboard. Present, then absent. And in this second graph, you will be able to see what percentage of boys and girls are in your school. So this our complete dashboard which has all the information. There is the slide bar here on the left side with 5 menu inside. You can open the slide bar with this button and close it with this button. So open it again. So its second menu is teacher. So now we go to the teachers section. Click it and turn off that slide bar. So in the teacher section, first the teacher's pictures, then after that the teacher name, subject specialist, contact number, teacher monthly salary, and then address and teacher registration date and time, and then action button, edit and delete. And here is the 3 teacher demo data. And when you click this button, so you will have a teacher registration form show. You can close it by clicking this button. Again, we open the form by clicking this button. The name of the teacher will be the first one to be entered in this registration form. What subject is the teacher here to teach come? Teacher salary will be entered here, and then teacher address, teacher contact number, and finally picture of each teacher uploaded here. After filling out this form, submit it. Okay, after clicking on this edit button, you will be able to edit teacher's data. After updating data, click on the update button. This was followed by a success pop-up show. Then automatically hide this update form show animation and the data you have updated will be show highlighted. Now we have a completed the teacher section. Now open the slide bar and navigate to the class section. In this section you will set the teacher a teaching schedule according their subject that the teacher will teach this subject in this class at this time. First of all, which class in this teacher teaching in, then what subject in this teacher teaching, then teacher name, what is the student limit in this class, this teacher is teaching this subject at this time, and the action button edit and delete. To add another class here, so first of all, which subject will that teacher teach and then which class will he study in. Here you have to select the class that the teacher will teach. Then you have to select the teacher here who will teach this subject. Here we are showing the data teachers who they are registered. See the teachers we have registered, they are displayed here. Then come to the class section again. All teachers show here. Here comes the student limit, and in this field we set the timing of the up class. And here are the 4 demo data entries that you can see. If you want to edit any data, click on its edit button. So you will have the data showing here which you can easily edit from here. So for example, I will show you how to edit the student limit. Then click on the update button and you will have a success pop-up show up. This form will be automatically hidden after updating, and it will also highlight and show you your data you have updated. This class section is completed. Now open the slide bar again and come to a student registration. Click this and close the slide bar by clicking this button. Now the students whose children are registered visible here. All classes are selected here right now. Now if I want to see only the children of class 1 from here. After selecting, you will only see children who are studying in class 1 and result is 4, meaning there are 4 children in class 1 right now. If I selected all the classes, it will bring in all of us students and total result 11. But there are 7 data show on this page right now. And to see the 4 data, you will have to go the second page because it shows you 7 data on one page. Click this button to add a student. This show little plus animation. Now click this button, then you will receive a student registration form. First of all, student name, student father name, student phone number, what is the date of birth, student gender, and then student address. Then the class details will appear below it. First select which class the student is registering for. Then after that the student fee will come here. Then the student's picture will also be uploaded in the last. After filling all these things, submit the form. You can also upload student data from Excel. Okay, close this form. If you click and hold this right side button, this table will be slide to right side. To update any student's data, you will have to click on their edit button. So this student data will be shown. For example, I want to update name of a student. So when I on the click on submit button, success pop-up will be show up for me and highlight the student data and this table automatically slide left side. Now complete this student section, open the slide bar and move to student attendance. When you first arrive at the attendance page, you will need to select attendance by clicking on this button. First of all, you have to select which class of attendance you want to plant. Then now you have to decide whether you want to take attendance as a student or as a teacher. Today date automatically selected. After doing all this thing, click on add attendance. Now this will select the student whose class you selected. Like it's showing class 1 student right now and the result is 4. You can easily attendance here. If you click on a checkbox for the first time, this checkbox will turn green. If you click on the checkbox for the second time, this checkbox will turn red. This means the student is not present. If you want to attendance for another class, you have to click on the select attendance button again. Now I have select student class 3, then click on add attendance button. So it will select and bring class 3 children for you. And then total result is 2. If you press and hold the left side button here, this table will be slide to left side and press and hold right side button here. This table will be slide to right side. Now if you search for a student, you can search by student GR and student name. Like I am searching for a student name Rizwan here. So Rizwan name student will be shown. So click the Rizwan name student. So Rizwan fee record showing. This is a complete data of student like student name, student pick, student class, student father name. Then I am searching another student name like Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali is a student of class 1. Father name of Zain Bhai. Student name is Muhammad Ali. All fee records showing for Muhammad Ali. Then click on checkbox record. Fee record is updated. If you look at the right bottom of the page, you will see get slip button. Clicking this button will create a fee slip. This fee slip will be for the month. You click on the checkbox and you will be able to easily print this fee slip. I hope you have a complete understanding for this student management system. I will wait for your order.